Good morning, everyone. This is a quick and brief ELA lesson for your recording today for Wednesday. I'm going to be going over your phonics as well as the ELA or reading lesson that I want you to learn, as well as your reading assignment on Seesaw today. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to get started with our phonics. So we're talking about R blends, and today we're going to be talking about CR. Now, something important about CR, remember, that's that red robot. And when Clever Cat is with red robot, it says cr. So I want you to make sure that you get out your notebook and a pencil, and we're going to build some words together. Okay? So the first word that I want us to build is the word cry. So, cry. Tripping over chairs. The next word I want you to build is crab. And notice when I say that, I don't go crab. I do crab. The next word I want you to build, I don't have a letter card for it, but that's okay, is the word crop. Crop. And the last one I have is this word. I'm not going to sound that out for you. I want us to write it together. And then I want you to sound it out with me. Ready? Crack. Okay? So we have cry, crab, crop, and crack. Okay? So those are your CR words for your R blends. All right. So before we hop right into our reading lesson, I want to go over your sight words. So don't forget your hand motions, okay? I'm going to stand up. You might not be able to see me, but that's okay. This first word is good. Let's do the hand motion for good. G-O-O-D, good. Great job. All righty. What about this sight word? That's right. This word is hour. O-U-R, hour, like our class, right? Great job. Oop. I moved the wrong one. This word is name. Remember? And this is like you're writing it. N-A-M-E, name. We're writing our name. And the last one is just. Remember? J-U-S-T, just, like just a little bit. Great job. Alrighty, so for your ELA lesson today, we're talking about I can ask and answer questions to help determine the meaning of unknown words. So I can ask and answer questions to help determine the meaning of unknown words. So we are going to go over our context clue chart. So this says, ask yourself if there are any clues in the text to help you find the meaning of a word. So context clues are clues in the text that readers use to find the meaning of unknown words. You can use pictures, sentences, synonyms, antonyms, examples, and definitions. So today we're going to be talking about two specific words. So the first word we're going to talk about is the unknown word seasons. And the second word we're going to talk about is the unknown word migrate. Actually, I'm going to erase that and move it over just a little bit, just to make sure I have enough room. There we go. Migrate. Seasons and the word migrate. And we're going to read a book called Seasons. The Seasons. It's by William B. Rice. The Seasons. Changing Earth. There are many changes on Earth during the year. Plants change, animals change, the air, sky, and clouds change. Seasons change too. They change from spring to summer to autumn to winter. Then it is spring again. Is there a first season? No, the seasons go in a cycle. There is no beginning or end. So we found our first word, right? What do you think the word seasons means? What do you think it means? So I think the word seasons means different times and weather. So like different times of the year with different weather, right? And ways we can see that is like, look at the picture of winter, the picture of summer, the picture of autumn. Oh, sorry, this is the picture of spring. Picture of spring, picture of summer, picture of autumn, and picture of winter. So they all look very different with different weather styles, right? So I could say clues from the story were in the pictures of each season, that they occur at different times of the year, right, with different weather. Alrighty, let's keep reading. Season to season. Plants grow in spring. It may rain. The air gets warmer. Many animals are born. In summer, the air is warm. Plants grow bigger. They may grow fruit. Baby animals grow up. In autumn, the air gets cool. Rain may fall again. Many plants are ready to harvest. Most plants stop growing. Young animals are nearly grown. So autumn is also called fall. Leaves turn colors in May and then fall in the autumn. In winter, it is cold. Sometimes it snows or rains. Some plants have died. The leaves are gone from many trees. Some animals hibernate in the winter. Birds may migrate or move to a place in the world where it is warmer. So there's our second word. There's the word migrate. So what do you think the word migrate means? Right, to move to a different place, right? Or to travel to a different place. So we could say to move or travel, right? And some clues are, it told us that birds migrate, right, to a warmer place. So birds migrate, right? The birds go to a warmer place, right, in the winter. They go to a warmer place in the winter. Great job. Changing seasons. Time moves forward, and so do the seasons. One season becomes the next. One day it is spring, and before you know it, spring is back again. New plants grow in spring. The cycle keeps going. The end. So that's all of our book for seasons. Now, I do want to go over your seesaw activity today because what you're going to do is you're going to be doing your assignment on Raz Kids. So I'm going to make sure I'm on the right screen. Okay, so my kiddos, you'll come to this page. Missy's kids, you'll still be on her page, but I have access to it. So I will add your books and everything. So I'm going to go to my sample kiddo. I'm going to type in the password. And then this is what it looks like when it pops up. Oop. This is what it looks like whenever it pops up. Okay, so you have your level up, the reading room, and my assignment. What we want you to work on tomorrow, so today's Tuesday, but what I want you to work on today for Wednesday's lesson is my assignment. So as you'll see that I have single assignments, so it'll pop up here. And then I have each of these books that I have to do. Now you'll notice some of these books, so like this book only has a listen to and a read with, but some of these books have question marks. The question marks mean you need to take a quiz after you finish reading the book. So for example, if I was going to read this book, all kinds of faces, all kinds of faces. This face is happy. This face is sad. This face is sorry. This face is excited. This face is scared. This face is shy. This face is mad. This face is sleepy. And then I would be done. And then see, I would get my stars. Now, so I'm going to hide this. What I'd want you to do is if it has a question mark, I want you to take the quiz. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. What is the story mostly about? So faces can show feelings or everyone has a different smile. So I know the book was about feelings. It's all about all different kinds of faces. So I'm going to pick A. Go to next. How would your face look if you lost a favorite toy? Would you be sad or would you be shy? I think I'd be sad. How is happy different from sad? You smile when you are happy. You smile when you are sad. Which one? You smile when you're happy, right? Which face shows how you would look if you needed a nap? Would you be sleepy or happy? You need a nap. It must sound like you're tired. So I'm going to pick sleepy.
Sleepy.
Oh, and if you click on the word, it'll read it for you.
Which face shows how you would look if you needed a nap?
So if you click on these questions, it'll read it to you. Same with the answers.
Sleepy. Happy.
So I'm going to pick sleepy.
The word mad means afraid, angry.
So I think mad means angry. So then I'm done.
Great job on a perfect score.
And then I'll tell you how many scores you got right. Then you can go back to my assignments and you'll see that this one has a green check because it means you're done. This will show how many stars you have and everything like that. If you notice that you have, like I have a lot in here just because I was testing it. This is my sample kiddo. Some of you might have 3 or 4 assignments because you didn't complete it last week. So make sure you finish all of those assignments. But most of you should only have about 2 in there. But that's what I want you to do for your assignment today is just read your books on Raz Kids. If you have a question mark, take the quiz with it. Have fun, enjoy. Oh, something else I wanted to show you though. If you finish your assignments, because it's the great way to earn stars. And I'm going to start this in November here since we just started doing Raz Kids. The person with the most stars is going to get a secret prize from me in the mail. So if I go back to reading and say I go to reading room, okay? In reading room, you can pick any of these books with multiple topics, okay? So I can go to a bunch of different books, right? And I can read as many books as I'd like, okay? So a bunch of different topics. You can go by topic, you can go by level, anything like that. You can read a ton of different books. And I can see which books you've read. So I can see which books you've read so I know which ones to assign. Then this part over here, and I do want to go over it real quick. Oh, here you might have a message from me. So might have messages from Kids A to Z Robot, or you might have a message from me. This here is level up. So if you read one of these books, it'll level you up a level. So if you read some of these, it'll level you up to the next group and you'll earn stars as you go. But I might assign eventually a level up assignment, which would just move you all the way up. So that is all I have for today. If you need to, you can always come back, rewatch this lesson. If not, thanks so much. And guess what? I'll see you live on Thursday. So I'll see you Thursday live. Bye.